Today I'm going to show you how to make your text pop in Premiere Pro. Begin by selecting the Type tool and entering your desired text. Head over to Essential Graphics to make any necessary adjustment to the text. Next, navigate to Effects and search for Transform. Apply it to your text layer. Once applied, go to the Effects controls. Click on the stopwatch icon next to Scale under Transform. Start with a scale value of 0 at the beginning of the layer. Move 3 frames forward using the right arrow key and adjust the scale to 120. Move 3 frames forward and adjust the scale to 90. And after 3 more frames, set the scale back to 100 to complete the effect smoothly. To add motion blur, uncheck Use Composition and set the value to 360. To streamline your workflow, save this effect as a preset. Right-click on Transform, select Save Preset and label it as Pop-up Text.